You're rushing through your day, feeling disconnected, and wishing you could find a moment of peace and calm without adding one more thing to your to-do list. Here's a beautiful discovery. Cold water makes a different noise than hot water when you pour it. Go ahead, try it right now. But here is why this really matters. Your daily life is full of small moments of wonder and awe. Paying attention to them keeps us grounded and calm. These mindful moments don't require extra time or special equipment. They're already happening around you. Simply listening, really listening, lowers your stress and calms your central nervous system. You deserve calm, even on your busiest days. Sometimes all it takes is tuning in to what's already there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.